सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हम आपको लिए चलेंगे आपकी फेवरेट वीडियो की तरफ।
Thank you, President Camp and Mr. Noordin, and thank you the Atlantic Council for inviting me here, and thank you all of you for coming here and giving me a chance to interact with you. I'll have very brief remarks, and then I guess Josh and Uzair will ask me questions, and then all of you will make comments and ask questions. So I'm looking forward to an interactive session. I normally do just economics, but I think today I'll start with some politics and then jump into economics. I want to start with how the government in Pakistan changed recently. As you know, we had a no confidence motion against the Prime Minister, former Prime Minister, in Parliament. Pakistan has had no confidence motions before. In particular, the Pakistan Muslim League Noon and Nawaz Sharif led party actually held a no confidence motion against Benazir Bhutto's party, People's Party, when she was Prime Minister. But that failed. And before that, I think they tried once in the 1950s. So this was a try. We've been trying this for like about, in the month of October we were talking about this. In February of this year, the People's Party leadership and the Muslim League leadership got together. They announced that they're going to bring in a no confidence motion, and so there was a movement going on. Imran Khan, the former Prime Minister, essentially then started talking about some Quranic verses. This is called Amr bil Maroof and Nahi anil Munkar. Meaning that this is promotion of virtue and prevention of vices. Somehow that we were the, standard bearers of vice, and he was somehow the standard bearer of virtue. That, by the way, for reference, was also a line that Taliban used in the previous incarnation. They had a ministry of that name. But we were focused on inflation, and we did a movement and social media campaign and a lot of campaigning on inflation. And Imran Khan and he sort of knew that he's going to lose, but so he did one gambit, and he fixed diesel and petrol prices, motor gasoline prices and diesel prices at a very low level. At a level, let's say about, if the international oil prices were at $70 a barrel, that's where the Pakistani diesel and petrol prices are. And today, of course, it's $110. So the government of Pakistan is losing a lot of money. But that was a sort of if you will, a trap set for us, once we came in the government. In the event, we tried to do everything to prevent the vote. He did not even hold the vote as constitutionally mandated. Finally, the Supreme Court sort of said that you have to do it, and he did it. I think the vote took place at 11 o'clock in the evening, and the session of the assembly started at 10 in the morning, so it was a very, very long day. Finally, he lost the vote of no confidence and left the Prime Minister's office. And Shehbaz Sharif, the former Chief Minister of Punjab, became the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Shehbaz Sharif is not the leader of our party. He's the president of the party, but his older brother Nawaz Sharif, the former Prime Minister, is the leader of our party.
हम लाते हैं टॉक शोज और अनलिमिटेड एंटरटेनमेंट सिर्फ YouTube पर। अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट जानें।